Glomensio Firefly arrived. First thing to do is when you get your Firefly, take it out of the kit, put your front plate together. You can see I spaced our numbers out evenly on the front plate. When you're finished with that, make sure you fill it in with the spacers, fill all the spacers in so there's no holes. Take your, you'll see the, I don't know what you call these, but your electrical connections, you're going to fill those in. I only have 4 numbers, there's spaces for 5. You can just leave one undone. Just tuck it in. And this panel is ready to go. Just set it aside for now. Then you're going to take your back mount plate. We're going to take it up to the roof, where I've already drilled a 3/4 inch hole centered on my garage. You can see I've centered the 3/4 inch hole here. It goes all the way through, and I'll feed the cord through that. Next, I'll take the screws that are supplied in the kit. There's a variety of different screws, that just use the ones that work best for you. There's wood screws, there's metal screws, there's anchors. I won't need the anchors or the metal screws, I'm just going to use the 4 wood screws that are provided. Make sure you don't throw through your cord. I'm just going to use the 3 because I don't want to put the 4th one through the cord in the back. Let's see how easy it is to mount. Fasten our faceplate. By the way, the spacers on the back side. Before I put this in, I use black electrical tape and just put a piece of tape over the top just to hold them in a little tighter, make sure they stay in there for a good period of time. Don't forget to hook this in. This can only go in one way. Make sure it faces the front. Put the wire in. Alright. Simple. And scrape the cord. Make sure it doesn't interfere with your track of your garage door opener. They give you plenty of extension cord. You have some zip tie. Zip ties are nice to use just to keep it up nice and snug to your 2x4s. You'll see this part just snaps in. There's only one way for it to go. Make sure you twist it nice and tight. Next one. And zip tie. And you can see that's how you install it. And you just plug it in, so your electrical outlet, which I'm using the outlet for my garage door opener, which is real nice. Nice and handy. And that's how you install a Firefly.